And here's another birthday video, because today is also my cousin Corey's birthday. And Corey is 13. Your baby. So, happy birthday, Corey. Because I'm also going to call your phone later and leave you a birthday message. So don't answer the phone when I call. Because if you answer the phone, and I will just get mad at you and yell at you on your birthday. Love you. And if you don't watch this, I'll kill you. Like my sticker. Okay. I'll probably see you in December, because it's probably when I'm coming up. I'll bring you a birthday present, and I'll just be like, here's your really late birthday present. And happy birthday to you! Love you.